have our Prime Minister here. We have the leader of the legislature and the Chief Justice. These are members of the Executive Council, even myself. We all know ourselves, and you know the purpose of this organization. The purpose of him myself is for the well-being of Ndiigbo, the well-being of Biafrans. We are born in this struggle for the betterment of our people. And at the outset of this struggle, we said that we are going to pursue the issue of Biafra through non-violence from A to Z, through non-violence. It was on this premise that all our members were registered. But along the line, politicians came in and took away some of these our members, sponsoring them for their own selfish political purposes. We started having divisions. Today, this thing has become a problem, not only to our members, but to Ndiigbo in general, and even to Nigeria. We feel disturbed. People continue calling. What is happening? What is happening? Talk, talk. And you see the danger in the horizon. Today, so many people are killed, not actually by the so-called Fulani herdsmen in Ndiigbo land, but by ourselves. Because if you attract the military into Igbo land, they kill Igbos. They will not kill the Westerners or the Northerners. They kill Igbos. At the end of the day, you find out that we, the Igbos, are the ones killing ourselves. That's mainly the purpose of this exercise. People are worried. I'm worried. I'm more worried because I started this exercise. I recruited every other member of this struggle. So the accusing finger is always on me. I want to say that at no point will Ndiigbo go to war with any other tribe in Nigeria. At no point will Ndiigbo go to war against Nigeria. Nobody will push our people into another hostilities in Nigeria. We have encountered a situation where the brains of our young ones now have been bastardized. Our young ones do not reason well again. Go to the social media. Our leaders are humiliated, insulted, blackmailed, as if such is the culture of the Igbo man. We want to say we condemn all this in its entirety. Last time was Obibo. Even from Enugu to Obibo to Olo, who are the people dying? Our people. These people, were they killed by Hausa Fulani or Fulani herdsmen? This should be a concern to all of us. To all of us. Because the future is bleak as far as the Igbo race is concerned. You see someone who is not even in Nigeria dictating what happens in Nigeria, mobilizing the youth through internet to insult their leaders, to destroy lives and property, and to hang the hopes of Ndiigbo in despair. Now nobody sleeps with his eyes closed. People are threatened. The Ohanese Ndiigbo, no respect. The governors, no respect. Prominent Igbo citizens, no respect. Threats everywhere. Those doing this thing know that they are going nowhere with it. They know that there is no way they could or they can defeat Nigeria, even if there is a war to borrow money. They know. But they foment trouble in order to enrich themselves for their own personal interests. So I want to urge you that all hands must be on deck to see that this development is dipped in the bud. So far, some governors have tried to stamp their foot on the ground to see that sanity prevailed. In Rivers State, Jason Wike stood his legs on ground. I congratulated him that time. I supported him that what he did was right. Because we cannot allow anarchy to prevail. In Olu the other day, Hope Uwazurike stood his grounds. I congratulate Hope Uwazurike for the way he solved the issue of Olu. I urge all the Southeast and South-South governors to take the cue to make sure that the Southeast and South-South will not be turned into a state of war. I urge all other governors, we must have decorum, we must recognize our leaders, whether you believe it or not. I don't relate with Ohanese, but I respect them as the mouthpiece of Igbo race. There must be a leader. I don't relate with even the Southeast governors, but I respect them. They are the elected officers of the people. They don't denigrate Ohanese Ndiigbo. They denigrate the governors, all Igbo leaders. Are we living in a state of anarchy? Then you bring in the military to start shooting our people. So many people are killed without records. Then the person is in either London or America, in his comfort zone, with his family. Hi, how do you explain this? I'm here. I started this struggle over 20 years ago. I have never left Nigeria. I have suffered more humiliation than any other person. I have suffered more attacks than any other person. I have suffered more threat to life than any other person. But I have not left. I know the consequences of asking the youth to attack the military, to attack the police, to burn police houses or offices. Because if they do it, they will arrest me. I may be killed. But this person now is nowhere to be found. Because if he's in Nigeria, he will never do that he's doing today. When he was here, he never did it. Please, I'm begging you all, we should embark on this project to save humanity and to save the future of our children. Because the way things are going now, there is a serious problem for us. Not that anything will happen. The person involved is a nobody. I recruited him. I brought him up. I know his capacities. He's a nobody. He's a nobody, as in the word nobody. But he is inciting our youth, using their brains and bringing them into death trap, into harm's way. So many people are killed. Anywhere